Hi everyone, welcome to Jeffrey's a short and sweet locating your textbook tutorial. Okay, so here we go. You want to begin on the Halo course page, and on the left hand side you will see this vertical menu. Scroll down until you see Class Resources and click on Class Resources. And that takes you to the class resources page, where at the very top you'll see Nestor's Microbiology, a human perspective with Connect. That will take you Connect and ultimately your textbook. Down below that short description you will see View Resource. Click on View Resource. That will take you to the McGraw-Hill Connect page for your course. And over here on the right, you will see my information. There are my office hours. Remember, I am 2 hours ahead of those of you in Arizona. I'm on the East Coast. There's my email address and a little photograph of me and one of my kitties. That is Sputnik in the background. If you scroll down just below my information, you will see Nestor's Microbiology. And down below that, you'll see a little link that says Launch eBook. Click on Launch eBook, and that will immediately take you to this page where it says Meet Sharpen. But what you want to do is up here in the top left corner, it says 1 of 807. Just click on the right arrow to advance to page 2, and that will take you to the textbook. Everything is interlinked, so when you go to the table of contents, if you want to jump, for instance, to chapter 5, you can click on chapter 5 and it'll take you right there. All right, and that's all there is to it. That is it, El fin. See you next time.